Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your physics compartment exam. First, thoroughly understand your syllabus to pinpoint crucial topics. Next, prioritize conceptual clarity for every physics principle, ensuring you grasp the why behind each concept. Regularly review fundamental formulas and their derivations. This builds a strong foundation. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to these foundational steps for optimal preparation. To truly master physics, consistent problem solving is key. Practice a wide variety of numerical problems every single day, aiming for at least 10 to 15 questions. Solve previous year's question papers to familiarize yourself with common question types and marking schemes. Crucially, analyze your mistakes to identify weak areas, then revisit those concepts. This iterative process strengthens your understanding and boosts confidence significantly. Effective revision is paramount for success. Create concise, one-page notes for quick review of important concepts and formulas. Allocate dedicated time slots for each topic, giving more time to challenging areas, perhaps 2 hours for difficult topics versus 1 hour for easier ones. Regularly test yourself with timed mock exams to simulate exam conditions and improve speed. This structured approach ensures comprehensive coverage and retention. On exam day, a calm and focused mind is your greatest asset. Maintain a positive mindset and manage any stress effectively through deep breathing. Read all questions carefully, perhaps twice, before attempting them to avoid misinterpretations. Present your answers clearly, using proper diagrams, labeled units, and showing all steps for numerical problems. Aim to complete the paper with 10 to 15 minutes remaining for a final review.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.